Well, this is my room in Taichung's HiOne Quarantine Hotel. I believe this is a case of bottled water. Here's a little meal on a placemat that was waiting for me on a chair outside the door when I arrived. I got 2 beds. Looks like there's only bedding on one of them. And I am very thankful for a desk and chair. That was not a guarantee. Now I can use the computer comfortably. Looks like they gave me a supply of green tea, coffee, chopsticks, some cups, extra toilet paper, a TV that I don't plan to watch. Oh, there's a little fridge. That's nice. A fan, the all-important air conditioning. A couple of chairs. I guess I can sit in them and pretend that I have someone to talk to there. Oh yes, and this looks like a hot water jug. That was the entryway where my luggage was still piled. I'm on the 22nd floor. Here's my view. Wow, that is quite the cityscape. Well, I was praying for a room with a window, which is not guaranteed, and that it would be high up and there would be a view, so this is a blessing. If I can't go out, at least I can look out and imagine what free people do. And this is the door that I must not open, except 3 times a day when they drop off meals outside of it. Here's the bathroom, with a supply of soap and toiletry items. Looks like a pretty nice bathtub. If I run out of towels, I might have to wash them myself. Doesn't look like there's very many. That's okay. Plenty of shampoo and body wash there. And let's see. It looks like a closet with a few hangers. Not bad for storage. Oh, I've got a couple drawers there as well. Well, this room is bigger than I was expecting, and really quite a lot nicer than it could have been. I have a lot to be thankful for. I'm going to be in here for the next 14 days at least, so I'm glad it's a nice room.